Your health, your data, building trust in AI powered wellness apps. Let's explore how privacy challenges in mobile health, mHealth, and wearable using AI and federated learning. Hello and warm greetings to everyone joining us on LinkedIn and YouTube Live. I am Damodar Sahu, Chief Growth Officer at Data Safeguard, where we are on a mission to safeguard futures through AI powered data privacy and synthetic fraud prevention. Today, I am thrilled to be joined by my friend and an inspiring technologist, healthcare IT, and wellness executive, Ajit Sahu, joining from the heart of Silicon Valley. Welcome, Ajit.
Thank you, Damo. It's always an honor to be here with you. We envision a future where access to healthcare and wellness isn't just privileged, it is personalized and predictive and preventive. AI is a huge part of our day-to-day life. So it is trust. Today's session, your health, your data, aims to explore exactly that. So how you balance innovation with data ethics in AI-driven wellness era, right? Every day we talk about AI, right? So, but we need to think about like how our data is like secure and we are so secure.
Absolutely, Ajit. Well said. AI is everywhere, from fitness trackers to predictive diagnostics. But wellness apps now know what we eat, how we sleep, even how we feel. So, why is data trust more important today than ever before? Ajit?
Absolutely, like wellness app collect intimate data, right? Heart rate, emotional stress, menstrual cycle, glucose, your emotion, different developable data it track, right? We know like everyday life we are using a wearable device and it is track where and right and left, right? So even in tier two or tier three cities, user are becoming data rich before being data aware. So it is not just a privacy concern; it's a duty of care. I mean, we every day like we are having a lot of data we're tracking, but we don't know actually where the data is going and what they are doing with the data. So we need to know actually like the data that we are collecting, what where exactly we are using and how it is like secure. So AI must be expandable and data users must be transparent. Otherwise, we risk losing the very people we aim to be empower and care for.
Spot on, Ajit. My research says that 70% of users do not read privacy policies, and yet they engage with AI every day. That's why privacy by design and default is not a choice, it's a necessity. Trust must be built at the code level, not at the peer level. What do you
True.
say? Yeah.
True, very true, right? In my career, I have implemented a lot of what we call the ethical AI stack, right? Every AI decision we have take for symptom seeker to treatment suggestion, right? To you are going for something, but we like based on the suggestion, you will be figure it out something else we need to treat, right? So goes through the human validation loop, right? You use federated learning to keep data on the edge wherever possible. But what synthetic data, Damu? You are like pioneering the data, pioneering that space of privacy preservation. Can it help wellness take scale responsibility?
Absolutely. So, synthetic data allows AI models to be trained on hyper realistic but fake datasets, preserving privacy while keeping prediction quality high. Imagine creating population wide wellness trends without ever exposing a single individual's data. This will be the future of ethical personalization, where users benefit without being surveilled.
Wow, that's powerful. It's all means like we can unlock deeper insight, right? So like mental health indicator, early chronic maker, without regulatory nightmares, but to trust, user must be in control, right? We need to control our data, right? Where our data is coming from and where it is going and how secure it is. That is most important thing. We are now exploring personal data vaults. So here user manage consent like dashboard. Imagine your health data behaving like your money, right? You have your dashboard, you will see like where my data is secure or not, right? And you can the way the day-to-day life we are using our like your financial dashboard, right? Just think about that, right? You have a dashboard, you have your all your personal data, right? You can see whether the data is secure or not, accessible, protected, and permission.
Absolutely. And GDPR, CPRA, PIPEDA in Canada, PDPL, NESA, even recently India's DPDP Act, right?
Yeah.
Even as we speak, we have 144 countries on earth. They have the privacy law are the major catalyst here. Consent, purpose limitation, and grievance redressals are not just legalities, but they are guardrails for innovation. But there is a leadership gap. Wellness companies must invest not just in AI but in data privacy leadership. DPOs, chief privacy officer, chief risk officers, CISOs, they should work on AI ethics at a broader level, right? So, what is your take on it?
I completely agree with you. And the regulator must be enabler, right? Not just the watchdog, right? The sandbox model, public, private research on expandable AI and regional data, stewardship and key are key, right? Especially when we are like working with this indigenous health data, I use a tribal health practice, etc. Right? We need cultural context and consent frameworks. There are a lot of consent frameworks are available, right? So I know you must have like something like that, right? That help people actually to secure their data. What do you
Absolutely,
say?
well said. Yeah. No, thank you so much for highlighting that. Privacy is a cultural experience, not just a legal checkbox. What earns trust in everywhere, right? Or in India or US, Canada, Africa, wherever the privacy laws are. That's why the community feedback loops and the local language, right, experience the matter. So trust is not just built, it is on every interaction at a time, right?
Yeah, no, well said, right? But I believe like by 2030, we all have like AI health assistant whispering personalized care tips in your ear, right? And but the question is like, will user feel the care for or watch? That's the line we must walk. Our north star should be empathetic AI rather than like the data driven but deeply human.
Yeah, absolutely. And at Data Safeguard, we are building or we built the plumbing of trust, that is data anonymization, risk scoring, synthetic data, privacy impact assessment. So visionaries like your visionary is like you focus on even responsible AI, ethical AI, right? Wellness, healthcare, and we can scale, without fear. To our audience, those who are watching as a users or a innovators or a regulators, let's make privacy a future, not a regret. Let's create wellness world where AI empower, not overpowers. So thank you all for joining us today. Remember, your health is your data and your data deserves respect. Keep building, keep trusting, and keep caring. Take care.
Yeah, thank you all for being part of this live session. And remember, right, your health is your wealth, right? And the same way, right, your health is your data, right? It need to be secure. So, and you deserve a secure data and the respect, the way you have to be. So let's keep building and keep trusting us, right, and keep caring. So thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you all. Yeah, please keep follow Data Safeguard, and we'll come with another topic on privacy sometime soon. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you, Ajit, for joining in and sharing your insights. Thank you.
Thank you, Damu, for having me